This is our time summary. If they will join or not, we have to start it. They will get the videos.
Can you see everyone my screen?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah, what happened?
Yeah. So see, this is the concepts which I'm going to cover everyone. Module 1 is the Java concept. I don't know. Module 1 is Java concepts. Module 2 is Selenium Webdriver. Third is frameworks I will be covering. Okay. So first, let's see what are the content which I'm going to cover in the Java concept. In Java concepts, I have divided this content into two parts, everyone. One is logical programming. Second one is OOPS concept. One is logical. Second one is OOPS concept. In logical part, we will be checking all the basic programs, like why this programming is important for testing. Because we are not developing any application, but still we have to learn this one. Why? Any idea?
To check whether the coding going good.
Okay, see. First of all, you guys have to understand what actually is a testing. Testing is nothing but you're checking or you're verifying or validating, you can say, or evaluating an application, whether it is meeting to the client standards or not. That is testing. This testing, you can do it in a two ways. One, you can do with the manual. Like manually, you can do with your beautiful hands, you can test your application, or automation. Manually means only human power is required. Like we will be opening the application, we will be clicking on each and every link, each and every button, and checking its behavior. Okay, you are interacting with the application. Now, what do you mean by automation? Automation means it's not magic. Do not be in a perspective that automatically it will test an application, and it will not test an application automatically. Okay, 1 second. I cannot put my mobile even in a silent. It is it's completely damaged. So whenever you get a ring, please do not get irritated. Okay, fine. What I'm trying to say, automation meaning is what? Automatically it won't be happen. you have to take a help of third-party tool to test an application. So third-party tool means we are using here Selenium Webdriver. By using Selenium Webdriver, we are writing programming. We are doing a coding here, scripting we are doing. And by using a Java language, you will be writing a code. Behalf of you, it will test. Now, manually we are doing a testing, then why we have to go and learn this automation? Because see, same work, if someone asks me to do, my efficiency of work might be reduced because it lack of interest, because humans is nothing but will do here and there some mistake. Automation means what? You will be doing the coding and it will be testing, and the results will be efficiency and very quickly. So to do that scripting, we should have one of the programming knowledge. Either it can be Java, either it can be Python, C#, anything, any programming language, because Selenium supports 7 different programming languages. So now we are choosing here Java. Now why Java? Many people might be asking. In a market, if you take on a scale of 10, 8, or you can say 80 to 90% of people or application is tested based on Java programming only, not on Python, not on C#. Very less and rarely you will be finding that one. And it's good if you start with Java, because the other programming will become easy in future if you want to shift also. Fine. You are clear why we will be learning the Java programming?
Yes.
Language. So now I have divided this complete Java course into the 2 parts. First part, a logical programming. Second part, a OOPS concept. Now, how this logical programming will be helping you? Logical programming, like when you start learning or when you do this section, it will focus on your thinking power completely from a very scratch. No need to worry from which background you are. Example, let's say you are from non-IT, you have an education gap, whatever it might be, you can start doing this one, because this is the scratch. Might be you guys have heard C programming. We will say mother of the programming language. That all techniques I will be teaching you in the logical part, like how to use operator, how to use if else, loops, arrays, methods, string programs. This is the main important part. Here we will be spending a lot of time. It need, because if you go into the automation and you want to write some logical program or logical validation, you need this knowledge. And no need to worry if you're from any other background, you can cover it. This is a section where you have to put lot of effort. Rest all might be it is easy for you, but this is going to be a little tough, but we will make it if you continuously practice. Okay. So in the logical programming, we will be seeing how to compile the program. What do you mean by compiling? What do you mean by running? What do you mean by data? How to store the data? Which which ID we will be using? ID means integrated development environment. It provides an infra where you can code or where you can maintain your code. Basic programs we will start. We'll try to take some mathematical formulas and try to convert that one. Then we'll go with the scanner class, how to scan the input. Might be these words are very new to you right now. Inshallah, when we start learning each and everything, it will be clear for you. Then we have operators, different operator that plays a very important role. If you are very good at operators, and if you have a good knowledge on the operator, rest chapters become easy. This is a base, fundamental. Then we go with if else, if, nested if, all those things. Then we go with the loops, arrays, and methods. These are the logical section. This is the part where you have to spend a lot of time to learn. And it is little tough when compared to other chapters. Okay. Fine, everyone. Any questions you have, let me know, please. Hello.
No, go continue, Samlin.
Yeah. Next is OOPS concept, which is required for automation testing. I'll be teaching you the OOPS concept, object-oriented programming. What do you mean by constructor? Where we will be using this constructor in Selenium. The use cases we will be seeing. What do you mean by encapsulation, data hiding, abstraction, inheritance, different types of inheritance, polymorphism, overloading, overriding, overhiding, those things, abstraction, exceptional handling, collection frameworks, Excel, how to read the data from the Excel sheet, how to read the data from the property file. All these object-oriented concepts we will be covering here. Fine.
Yes.
These are the things, these are the concepts. We will write the program, we'll try to derive the formulas, we will try to do practical do's and don'ts section also, means try to generate the errors. We will see everything here. And this is a very, very important section because your Selenium WebDriver, which we are using for automation, that architecture is designed based on this concepts. Okay. Selenium WebDriver architecture is based on this OOPS concept. After that, your Selenium WebDriver starts. Here, some 18 plus functionalities I will be teaching you. How to test a single link, title, autocomplete feature, alerts, screenshots, web tables, window handling concepts, different things. How to upload a file or a picture, how to download, how to find out how many links are broken in your application, how to send email through your program. That also we will be seeing. These all are the functions which I'm going to cover in the automation testing individually. Okay. Look at this.
What is the previous slide, Samrin, about Selenium?
This one. This is just an introduction.
Okay.
What is Selenium? What is Selenium WebDriver? What are the advantages and disadvantages? Architecture. The basic intro about Selenium.
Okay, continue.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Who is asking? Khalida?
Yes, I'm at the hospital, so I cannot talk, so I'm just listening.
One minute, everyone. Just a minute. Please hold down. Please look at each and every program name here, what we are going to cover. I'll just come in 1 minute. Hello. Thank you, everyone. Okay, let's start. So, first of all, what is the functional testing? Functional testing meaning is what? Example, let's say you guys only, okay? Normally human, like if we give any positive response to, positive feedback, the human will feel happy. If you give negative feedback, maybe they feel sad. Or if you try to hit them, you know, if you try to hit them, they will, like if someone hits you, you'll cry, correct? So for example, for a human, if you give different inputs, human will try to behave in a different way, correct? The same way, for an application, if you are giving a different inputs, we need to check how the application is behaving. That we called it as functional testing. Functional testing means if you give some valid data, how application is behaving. If you are giving some invalid data, how application is behaving. If you are clicking on a link, is this going to the correct page as it is expected to go there? All those things we have to test. That comes under the functional testing. So I have listed out some features about web application, like verifying the title, correct title is displayed or not. Verify the URL, like if you open the URL, is this navigating to the correct page or not? Autocomplete feature meaning is what? You are trying to type something. For example, in Amazon or in Google, you search something. In a bottom, it will give you some suggested list options. Did you saw that one?
Yes.
So that we called it as autocomplete feature. Sometimes you're trying to move a cursor and some options will be visible, which is hidden. Actually, there won't be options on your screen, but when you do mouse over, means putting a cursor on particular element, when you're moving your cursor, hidden options are visible. Let me show you. You cannot imagine also. 1 second. I'll stop share and I'll try to open some other thing. I'll share my complete screen. Yeah, why it is coming? Okay. If you see here Amazon and you try to type something here like mobiles, it is giving you some suggested option. This is called as autocomplete feature. We will be writing a program to test this function. And now see here, another adventure. If you try to check here, in your accounts and list is there. 1 second. Accounts and list is there on your screen, like here. But all these options are visible only when I am putting my cursor on that particular option. Then only it is visible, correct? That feature, we called it as autocomplete feature. That feature, we called it as what? Autocomplete feature. Understanding? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
And then next functionality, you check here what I was talking, mouse over, alerts, different types of alerts you have, like simple alert message will be there, confirmation alert will be there, prompt alert will be there. Those things we will be learning. So there are two different types, browser authentication alert and JavaScript alerts. So when you do that functionality, you'll understand the difference. Very important and dangerous topic, which will eat your brain or which will make you crazy in the real time. Frames. You will not find the frame in your project. I mean, you might not find it is there or not. You cannot identify also easily, and errors will come. So we'll try to find out how to identify in your project, I mean, in your application, frame is there or not, and how to handle that one. Different types of drop downs, calendars we'll see, screenshot, how to take a picture for every step, how to take a picture if your test case fail, web table, how to read the data from the HTML tables, how to do right click, robot class, window handling. Window handling meaning is, see, I want to open this gift card in the next link. And do right click and open link in new tab. There are 2 windows here, or let's say 3 windows you have. How to shift control from one window to the other window. That is called as window handling concept. Okay. And how to handle the multiple links, means in one page, how many links are there, we will try to find out and we will do it. These are all small functions, clear, control A, chord key, those things. Upload files and download files we can check. Handle broken images. Send email using programs. Reading the data from the Excel sheet and property files. This complete section will give you the full knowledge about automation. How to test an application, you will understand. But in real time, how the people are working. They say that our framework is hybrid framework, our framework is Cucumber framework, we are developing this framework. What actually is a framework? It consists of all these things, but in a defined structure, complete end-to-end process will be there. I hope everyone have a good knowledge on manual testing, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
So in manual testing, you will be preparing a summary report, right? How many test cases pass, how many test cases fail, how many are blocked or skipped, or the pass percentage. All those things you guys will be preparing. Am I right? Defects report, everything. But here, no need to do all those things. TestNG will help you for everything. It will generate the reports for you. It is used to run test cases in one shot, parallel or sequential. So this TestNG we will be learning. Okay. Next, frameworks. 2 different frameworks I will be teaching. Hybrid TestNG framework and Cucumber framework, which are my favorite 2 frameworks. I'll give you the complete real use cases here because I worked on developing the framework. I equally work with the architecture to design these frameworks, and in my organization to generate the reusable methods. So this is the best framework which I will provide you. You even can put in your resume, you even can answer, you can tell them that yes, you have worked, because this framework you will never find anywhere in a training sessions. Okay, mostly you will find in the organization levels, but in a training session, no one will provide you this deeper knowledge about the frameworks. I will teach you this hybrid and Cucumber. This is the most important frameworks.
Thank
This
you, Samreen.
Welcome. This frameworks, you can do it only, remember, okay, if you're very strong in Java, if your mind is very relaxed, second, you should have a good knowledge on Selenium. All together, we will make this strong framework. And you will be feeling so confident when you go into the organization and to do all the framework. See, this framework is developed in my style. Maybe different organization follows different style, but that style also you can understand in a few hours if you have a knowledge about at least one framework. Okay, the flow will be same. Might be the writing style will be different. Might be their application flow will be different. So that structure little vary. So you should be very strong in the frameworks. That is the most important. Because, many should tell or not, I really don't know. But many people in the interview, they will introduce, like when they ask to the people, tell about yourself, they'll say that I am from so and so place, I have this much experience, all those extra things. That doesn't require. Opposite person is not interested in you. They are just to judge you how much knowledge you have. So prepare your introduction very strongly in a technical terminologies. So these frameworks, the Java knowledge, Selenium knowledge, you can put all your experience achievements in your technical introduction. That will take your graph little up. That will decide actually how the interview will process. Understood? Hope, do not mind it, but I find actually the many people tell in introduction means I'm from so and so place, and I
This is very
started
good.
and my hobbies. They are really not interested in your personal things. Really not interested. They want how strong on your subject because they want a worker for them. That's it. So prepare technique. First, you should be very technically strong, and in your introduction, you put technical terminologies. Okay, I'll just say in my introduction, I'm from Hyderabad, myself, Apsara Samrin. That's it. Rest all is my experience, my learnings, my achievement. That's it. They should understand who I am in the introduction itself. They should not ask you again, hey Samrin, you have worked on hybrid framework. Did you work, Yusuf? Did you work on this collection framework? No, they should not ask you again because the introduction itself tell you everything. Okay. Frameworks after that, if I feel really good with you guys, you're doing very well, you're studying very well, then inshallah, I can provide you this bonus topics, that is GitHub, SQL, API, and some interview questions which I am facing right now. Those things will get added to this bonus topics. Like previously, when I attended, I think 3 months back, so I faced some questions I pasted here. And recently also I have seen some interview questions. I mean, attended some interviews and some logical questions they were asking, some real use cases they were asking. So those questions also I can add it to this bonus topic. If you guys are really interested, if you show me interest, like I can sense it, right? You guys are doing or not, active or not. So based on that, we will go with the bonus topics. Okay.
Thank you. Yes, please keep teaching us.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello everyone. I don't know today what happened to my devices. Hello.
Hello. Can you hear
Yes.
us?
Can you hear us?
One second. I can hear everyone. Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. Hello. Any questions in the content? Khalida is talking, but I can't hear anything. Tamanna, Nahin, Yusuf, Khalida. Any questions?
No,
No,
all
no.
good. Just one
Okay.
question. What is test NG?
What
What do you
is
mean by NG?
NG, next generation? Test next generation.
Because I have heard in the interviews that people are saying that I have worked on test
Yeah.
NG, something like that. Can you just explain how it goes?
She's gonna
Every-
explain it with the class step by
every
step.
Okay.
every job description you will be finding some terminologies like Selenium Webdriver, TestNG, J2SE means Java, and frameworks, hybrid framework or Cucumber framework, GitHub, APIs, SQL. These
Jenkins as
terminologies,
well. Jenkins, something like that too.
these words only you will be hearing. That is all covered in your content in this training sessions. Okay.
Okay.
Good, everyone. Okay. So this is all about Selenium. And now first we will see how to install JDK and Eclipse ID in your system. Because already in my system, JDK is there, Eclipse is there, already everything is set up. It's better if anyone, you guys will share a screen, I'll do everything in your system and others can watch. Anyone is not installed or anything is there like that, so then I will install in your system, we will proceed.
Yes,
Okay.
everyone must have done it with Tezin. Tez helped everyone.
Yeah, we did it, I think.
Okay. Tamanna did. Tamanna, it is with you there?
Yeah. Tamanna already has the JDK, and me too. We already had it.
Actually, I know how to work on framework and stuff. That's why I'm a little bit quiet. Yeah. Samrini, it's because I already learned those things, and that's why I'm quiet. To a new person can they can understand more from it.
Okay, no problem. If everyone is having it's okay. Once, hold on.
Is it done, the class?
No, Afrin, I messaged in the group, please check.
All right, let me.
Okay, everyone. What we will do for today, anyways, from the next classes when we start, we will go with the programming part. But right now, I'll try to discuss some interview questions. Is this okay? Some logical programs. What do you think? I guess the students which I found here are they have a knowledge on coding, right? I think Khalida is also good with the coding part, and Nahin also good. I guess Tamanna is good. So we will discuss for today some interview string questions, questions on the strings. Like if someone give you input and if they are like problematic questions. Okay, shall we? Hello.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, only for today. And from next class, we begin
Yep.
with proper index. Okay. Okay. So let me
What was that,
share.
Shamlin? I didn't hear.
You did not hear? I was
wasn't paying
telling
attention.
today only we will discuss some problematic questions, and from the next class we will start the content. Okay.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, that would be like fresh.
From the next class we will start all the topics one by one. And before the session starts, I mean one day prior, I'll be sending you which topics we will be covering. Okay. And we will try to finish those topics in the weekends.
Okay, thank you.
I was just using this last time in your project. Okay. Okay. So, fine. Class string okay. Display string related. Let me write string one. Main method control s, and here so first of all we will take a string, everyone. String s equal to your order or your ID. We will say your ID is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is the string, everyone. Our output should be only 1 2 3 4 5 6. Only 1 2 3 4 5 6 should be your output. Getting? You will be giving the input. Your ID is 1 2 3 4 5 6. output should be, your ID is this one, the whole string. Output should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Question is clear, everyone?
The question is the output should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it.
Yes, output should be only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Miss, I'm just asking you to pull the numbers from the string.
Master Khanda.
Understood what I mean to say?
Yes.
So just think for 2 minutes and then we will start.
So we are printing the value, right?
Yes, we have to print numbers.
So we can system.out.println you can use, right?
No. I want output should be this one. I don't want your ID this one. I want only number from string.
Number from string. Okay. So we need a scanner class for that?
The question is not clear for you guys. I'm telling. There is a string, your ID : 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a string. From this one, you have to pull only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only numbers.
Oh, okay. Then you have to convert it to integer.
Yes. Okay. It's a very simple one. With the predefined functions, you can just you can replace all the things and you can get only this one. S dot replace all. This is your string. Okay. This is your regular expression. If you want only numbers, okay, only numbers you want from the string, you put double quotation, square braces, a cap symbol, 0 to 9. So wherever the 0 to 9 is there, it will keep that one into the string, and rest all it will replace with the nothing. Okay. Semicolon. And these all things will try to store in another string. String result. This program you guys can do in a 2 ways. This is a predefined function. Without using predefined function also you can do. And system.out.println result. Okay. Did you saw everyone? Hello.
Yes.
If you want only alphabets, let's see. Nothing is, it is printing because it's a combination of, 1 second. Let me try with Z. It should print Y and I if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Why it is printing only Y and I?
Only the
It
uppercase.
says your ID. No, it's your ID.
Why it is
Because you
printing
gave the
only?
uppercase only?
Yes, because of the uppercase. Because I gave here uppercase alphabet, so it is printing that one. Okay. So you can play around with this method.
Excuse me, Simran.
Yes.
This is Nasser. Just wanted to let you know. I thought you said you wanted to print out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why is it printing out Y and I?
I was just showing that one. If you replace 0 with a 9 with alphabets, it will print alphabets. And if I
Okay,
write
okay.
0 to 9, it will print numbers. Okay.
But why would it print? Okay, I understand. Thank you. I wanted to make sure. This is okay, I understand.
Okay. Shall we do the same program without using this replace all and try to pull only numbers?
Hang on,
What
let me
did-
finish this, please.
So
I'm still in the string. I'm doing this one at a time.
something
Yes,
I
yes.
have
Next,
one.
someone. Yes,
So
please.
why would you write string and then space S? Why would you write S?
It's a variable. You are creating
It's a
variable.
variable.
She's
Holding-
declaring the string.
Dot
You are
replace
holding
all.
your, you are holding your value into this variable.
So S would stand for string.
S will not. S is just a variable. If you like your name, you can put your Nasir also. No problem. Your name is
You are
Nasir or Nasir.
holding this value in.
It's
Okay.
not owned. Okay.
Okay.
This one is like container you are holding, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I understand.
Hmm.
I'm sorry, Mr. Marin. I'm gonna ask you a lot of questions this time because I need to learn this. So
It's
if you don't
okay. No
mind.
problem.
So
No, no, no.
I have one question. If I don't use this one and try to convert it to string to integer, is it possible?
Yeah, it is possible. See, you want to convert string to integer means first of all, you should remove all this alphabets and special character. Then we left with only numbers as a string. Then we can easily convert this string into the numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If he finished this one, let's move to the
No,
same.
I'm not done yet. I'm still at the string results. I'm typing as we speak. Just give me 2 seconds,
Quickly.
please.
Okay.
Me, Nasser.
Can you take
Give me
picture
2
of it,
seconds.
please?
Replace. And
What is there on my screen right now?
you asking me?
Anyone?
You wrote a program to pull out the numbers from the string.
Okay. That is only visible.
Yeah.
I was just cross-checking.
I have a question. You know how this right before 0, there's an arrow facing up. Why did you put that in there?
Which one?
The arrow, yeah, right there. What is that
This
for?
is a syntax actually.
Okay,
To
but why
include
would you put it? How
to
come you
include
just
0 to 9.
right? So why would you just put 0 to 9?
I am saying, listen.
GG.
All the things are called as character. YOURID : each and everything we called it as character. I am telling that in this whole string, except not 0 to 9, except 0 to 9, everything you replace with nothing. Okay. Everything you remove this, I'm telling. So it is including only numbers. If I say lowercase A to Z. And uppercase A to Z. Let's try to do with the syntax. And what happens? Let's check. Understood what do you mean by this one now? You are
Right.
telling not A to Z and uppercase A to Z. I'm saying apart from these things, rest all you replace with nothing. That means it is removing this space, it is removing this space, colon, space, and complete numbers. And if only it is pulling out the alphabets. Understanding, everyone?
Right. So basically, instead of pulling out the numbers, it's putting out the alphabet, whether it's a capital or small. But if it
Yeah.
wasn't a capital, it would have pulled out if it numerical, right?
Yes.
Hang on, I'm writing the system dot. Train. Don't mind me, Mr. Marine. Like I said, I'm gonna ask you a lot of questions now because now I need to learn this. So,
Yeah, inshallah, you will be learning.
inshallah. Okay, so now I just run it. Let me see.
Okay, shall we go with the same program without using predefined function?
I have a question. So I did
Tell
the
me.
same thing what you told me, right? But when I run it, it doesn't pop up. Can I share my screen, please?
We'll check in the last. Okay, I'll check in the last. Fine.
Okay.
We'll finish this
But
one.
if you have to do another program like this, then I have to, make another class, right?
Yeah, you have to make another class. Once we finish, I'll check your program. Okay.
Okay.
Now see, everyone, I'm taking the same string. Okay.
What class you want me to make for this one?
Your laptop, your program, you are the owner, you are the boss, you can take anything.
Okay.
String s equal to this one, everyone. Let's each and every character I have to remove, only have to pull only numbers from here. So what I do, first I'll convert the string into character, or without that also I can take it. Okay, let me write down another string. Result equal to nothing. It is not, nothing is there. And then I will run my for loop. Index start from where? 0. I less than s dot length. I plus plus. I equal to 0. I less than s dot length. I plus plus. It is running for each and every character. Now what I do, I'll get one position character, char ch equal to s dot caret I. S dot caret I. I'm getting one position character. After that, I'm getting one position character. Then I will be checking if ch is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. And ch is less than or equal to 9. Then only that character I will add in the result. Result equal to result plus ch. And after coming out of the loop, system.out.println, I'll write result. Now you please see, everyone. Will it work as per expected or not? We'll see. Do you understood? This is a code. This is a logical part. You are putting your brains and writing this one. But this one is what? already predefined function is there. Someone has already written the logic for this one, and you're using that function, which reduce so much effort. Got it? Hello.
Yeah, I'm working on it. I'm here. I got it, but I'm working on it. Please.
Everyone are with me?
Yes, yes. So other one is more easier than this one. It's already defined, right?
Yeah, this one is a little more complicated.
Any questions here? Each and every line, please check. It's very simple. See, all your characters are stored at index position. Y is in the 0, O is in the 1, U2. Like for each and every character, it will store in the index position. Let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is a big one and that becomes a lesser. I cannot show you like that. So each and every character will be stored at one particular index: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So one position we are retrieving and checking whether it is an alphabet, a number or not. Okay.
So are you trying to count the spaces as number 2?
I didn't get you. What you are saying?
When you counted, you will count the space. So you're counting the spaces too.
I'm not counting. Yes, spaces also we are counting. Each and everything we will count.
Okay.
Ms. Simran,
Yes, Mr. Nasir.
line 7 at the end, it says plus plus. Does that mean plus is equal, not line 7 at the end?
No.
No.
First, it will get the 0 position value. Then it has to move to the second one. So we are increasing the I value. I will become 1. Then it will become 2. Then it will become 3. Because of this plus, it is continuously increasing by 1.
Oh, so it doesn't mean is equal to? Plus doesn't mean is equal to?
No, it means it is increasing the value, not equal to. It is increasing the I value.
Okay, so basically increase, like continue.
Basically?
It's basically to continue, to keep going.
Yes.
Okay.
मेरे पैनिक कैसा तबीयत खराब हो रही है
Equals 0. Oh. If pH greater than 0 and pH less equal to
Shall we go with the next program?
Hang on, please. I'm still on this for a second, please. 2 seconds, okay? New ID. Okay, Miss Simon, you could go ahead, but you're gonna have to help me when you come back, please. There are some things I caught, but there are some things I can't get, like the mistakes that I made. So whenever you get a chance, just take a look at this too. Maybe I'm skipping. Oh wait, I got this one. Hold on,
No, I will definitely. I'll look into that. Okay.
please. Okay, I got that too.
Let's do the second program, everyone. Is like I will give input. Input 1 will be
Alright.
hello.
I'm here. I'm here.
No, I'm writing hello.
Oh,
Okay. I'm
sorry.
writing hello.
Yes.
BDIT domain. Okay. Hello, BDIT domain. First string. Second string is welcome to. Your result should be hello.
Yes. Oh, sorry.
Welcome to BDIT domain.
You want us to
You
concatenate
understood
the
by seeing the
string.
inputs and output.
Yes. Kya kar rahe ho? Why you spitting like that?
Huh? What you said?
Oh no, I was just not you. Sorry.
You want us to concatenate the strings, right?
See, hello BDIT domain is one string. And welcome to is another string. I want this welcome to should be inserted in between the string. Got it? Understood or no? Hello
Say that again.
BDIT domain is one. Hello BDIT domain is one string. It is one single string. Welcome to is another string. I want you guys have to insert second string in the first one.
Input 1. The input is capital I, right?
Whatever it might be, capital I, lowercase. I want welcome to be inserted in hello, the first one.
Okay. So it could be welcome. Oh, okay. Even though if you put in the second one, you want when you run it, you want the welcome to be in the first, like in the beginning.
See, you will input this one. You will input this one. Your output will be this one. With that, what you are understanding, check and tell me. Little calm. Okay, now say little slow. Think properly and calmly answer.
Okay, let me see. Please, go sit down. Oh, okay.
Okay, shall I start? See everyone. String S1 equal to hello BDIT. Okay. String S2 welcome. And then string. Now we have to insert. Then I'm getting a disturbance. Nasir, can you go on mute?
Sorry.
See everyone. So S1, S2 string are taken. Now what we will do, where we have to insert this welcome to string. This is a 0 position, 1 position, second, third, fourth. Fourth, fifth is a space. After space, I have to do this one. So fifth space. So what I do, first of all, I will divide this one. String result R1 equal to S1 dot substring. I will pull the string. Begin index and last index. Begin, I will say starting. Last index, I will give 6. Now 6 meaning is what everyone? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6. So before 6, what is their space? Till that point, it will retrieve. You can check. R1, I will print. And let's run. Yusuf, you are listening?
Yes, I'm listening and yeah.
See, hello we got. Correct? Now, after that, what I do, I'll try to retrieve the another substring. I will try to retrieve another substring. R2 S1 dot substring I want from 6th position till last, whatever it might be, till last. So I'm not writing the last one, just writing 6. So from 6th, everything it will give, and we will print that one, second string. Something I did again. Okay, I got it. Run as Java application. You can see BDIT domain. Now we have split it. Now what I do, I will do concatenation or directly concatenation is very good only. String
System.
result
Okay.
equal to S1 plus, R1 plus S2. After that, with some space, S3. R2. Okay. Let's see how the result will come now. This is all by using predefined functions only. Understood?
Yeah, it was easy.
Simran, mine didn't go through. Whenever you get a chance.
Sure, I will check.
Wait, can you go back to the main screen again, please?
Substring is a predefined method in which it you can say it will like separate the string, right?
Yes, substring means it will just pull out only the part of the string.
Okay.
Check the program. Very simple way I have written. I've taken the S1.
Yep, you're right. I got it.
From S1, I have given the index and I'm trying to get that many characters. From the S1, I'm getting the other part of the string. Then I'm joining all the strings together. In a very simple way, I explain. Done, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go for the next. Okay, I'll give input. Now you guys try and let's see how you try to do. No predefined function. Normally program with the loops also you can do it. Let's say input is less than, greater than, less than, greater than, less than, greater than. Or a combination also, more, less, greater than. So you guys have to print the count. How many different types of characters are there and how many times it presents? Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times it is present and this character present 9, 10, 11. This character present 11 times, this character present 8 times. That is the program. Take a time and we'll do this one. Any idea that how we will proceed this one? Hello?
No.
Hello, hello. Okay.
It's
So
for
I will
loop.
write some string. Yeah, loop only.
Mhm.
I'm writing some string. In that I will put this characters. I need to find out the duplicate characters actually. It's a big program. I guess last time we did this one. It will show you. I guess this one. Yeah. See everyone, I give the same input I'll try to give here. Oh, something mess. Input mismatch. What happened?
I think so. It's an integer. You are putting the
That
integer.
is the integer we did.
Yeah.
Same thing we have to do with the string as well. We can do it. This is integer actually. Inter size 4, inter values 1, 2, 3. What did I run now? No, this is not the program which we are expecting. Only duplicate values it has printed. Okay, let's write our program now. String S1. We have taken one string. And then we will take one array. Int count. In this, we will store only count how many times it has present. Int S1 dot length will be the size. And then I will declare one more character array to store only the characters with the unique values. And that character length also will be the same. Okay. But from next class, we will start doing from the very scratch only because many of the people are aware about this coding. So I'm just teaching all the string programs. If you guys are not comfortable, do not worry. From the next class, we will start from very basic. Okay. Only for today, I just want to teach this interview questions. And now let's start. We'll write nested loop.
Yeah, Miss Simran, like with me is like I just want to let you know I'm like in the beginning stage. I'm still learning everything a little bit at a time. So just bear with me, please.
Okay, no problem. Don't be so serious. It's okay. You can learn. From the next class, we will do from very basic, or else we'll stop this program if you're not comfortable. Okay.
No. You could continue. I could wait. I don't want you thinking that I'm not paying attention. I'm paying attention. Oh, what happened? You turned hello? Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
What happened to your screen? It disappeared.
Nasir, you did something.
I didn't do anything, brother.
I'm kidding, man.
I'm actually trying to type whatever Miss Simran wrote on the thing. So I got into the import forward. Oh, there it goes. Forward arrow back.
You don't need. Oh, okay. Everyone, listen. We'll start this. We'll stop this difficult program now. No worries. From the next class, we'll do the very basic programs. Okay, whatever the programs till now we did some 4 programs. You guys practice and let me know you have some questions. Okay. And Nasir, please share your screen. I'll check your errors. And first of all, Nasir, be relaxed. Do not get, panic or your behavior is like something like,
No, you know what it is? Like, I want to learn this and I want to learn this. Like, I really want to learn it. I like it. I like the program. And what happened is, I like the program so much but it's challenging. So I like challenge as well, but I want to learn and I get frustrated because I don't know where to start.
You can learn, no problem. Do not get panic. We will start from very basic. I give you assurance you will be doing. You just need to be first of all, sabar, calm. That
Yeah,
you
but
should
then
that you should have.
the thing
That
is,
you
if
should have.
the thing is, if I like, I have patience, but how can I explain? I need to learn this. You know what I mean? And when I don't get something, I get very frustrated. Like with everybody, not only with myself, but everything that's around me. So I want to learn this. That's the whole thing. Like you know how you write public? I'm sorry, package, mainstream, package. Sorry, public class string, public static void. Like I don't know why we writing that. You know? Go sit down, please. Don't talk to me.
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm listening to you.
So like what I'm saying is like my thing is like I don't know why we writing that. Okay, I understand these are programs and I need to learn that. So like in my mind, I want to know like why we writing this and why we need to write it, if that makes sense, you know. Like the parentheses and like between and I like the forward arrow, the backward arrow. I understand the slashes is like okay, just it's a night you could write statements but it won't carry forward to the when you run the test.
Okay.
The forward slashes, I
Brother
understand.
Nasir,
Yeah,
listen.
yeah.
Brother Nasir, just today you take a rest, relax. Tomorrow you come and let's start the class, okay? Might be in a tomorrow's class, you will get answers for your questions, okay?
Okay.
Fine. Be relaxed. The moment you entered into the class, you are little panicked and you just want to do something. With that, we cannot do it. Not only the programming, not anything. We cannot do it. We should be little calm, little, patience you should have to learn something. I know you are a very good student. You will do it. Just hold for today. From tomorrow, we will start. Okay?
Okay.
Sure?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. You guys have any questions? Let me know. I can, if you have any issue with the program, any errors, I'll try to resolve it.
Can you check Selenium program?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Can you share the screen?
Yeah.
Are you able to share the screen?
Yeah, let me just take it out first. Okay, I'll share you first because I cannot find it. Look, I did this. I don't find anything, but I cannot find. I don't get the result here.
Can you run the program? Do right click and run. Test engine test
Oh,
only.
yeah, you can run on that too.
It's opening the browser, might be right now.
Yeah, it only opens the browser. That's it.
Okay, if any issue is there, it might show error, then we will fix it.
See, it's
Okay,
only.
minimize the screen. Okay, let me control.
Sister, tell me one thing. Did you check the XPath on the browser itself?
Yes, I copied and pasted here.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay.
Let me check. Element not interactable exception, meaning is the element is there, but it is not able to do that particular action. Now, on which line we are getting the issue? We have to find out. On the, what is your class name?
ICRTC.
Testing. 1 second. I need to find out which line it is. Which program ICRTC, which line? Once again, let me find out in which line it is a issue. Some XPath or something might be there. That is the issue. Nowhere I'm finding the hint for the
You just
Can
missed
we
it.
check? Can we check one time by
No,
putting a thread after the maximize? Maybe it
yeah,
no.
works.
Now
she
some
wrote the relative XPath. Sorry, absolute XPath.
Absolute expert, yeah.
Okay, let's see here.
I think saying line number 4.
Control F. Which one you are looking? Can you explain me the scenario what you are trying to do?
He's clicking on the register button.
I was trying to do the registration expert.
Okay, show me on the application which part you are trying to, which element you are trying to click.
Okay.
It is already open. Okay, let me close this one and you show me.
Like here, registration, inspect.
That register you want to click.
Yeah.
Okay, let's first observe that is one more time you execute the program and let's see whether that register is visible or not on this output screen when it is coming.
Okay. Okay, one more time. See, I cannot see the register.
Hmm.
You
Now,
might need
wait.
to change the URL.
Now, see, the register is not visible. Might be here and there on the page, it is there. But
Okay.
it is not able to visible. That's the reason it is not clicking. So where is the register here? Tell me.
Here, I have to minimize. Like here, register.
So I think she,
Okay, other you well, let's try not put this one and try, because by default window will be same only. Who will do zoom in? I mean zoom
so
out. Let's
Sandrine,
run one.
can I tell you something?
Huh?
Yeah, actually, URL, she's saying training search, right? That's why it's taking another. So
URL might be different, you are saying?
yeah, no, she's saying she's going to training search. That's why register is not there, right?
Hmm.
She should
Now,
put like
see,
inter URL should be up to n.
only up to there you are saying. Okay,
Yeah, she put
let's try.
training search. That's the reason I think is taking.
Miss Samarine, I have one more thing. I remember that if your internet, I'm not talking about the sister internet. I'm just talking about like usually it happens when the internet is so slow or the browser is so slow. आपको आपका जो स्पेसिफिक कोड होता है वो पहले चल जाता है और बाद में ब्राउजर लोड होता है शायद इस वजह से भी हो सकता है कैन यू ट्राई टू पुट द थ्रेड फॉर लाइक 5 सेकंड
यहाँ पे कितना ही देर हो रहा है ना, URL ही नहीं open. Okay, let me write red dot sleep as you guys are saying. I want see if we use the correct URL, and then might be we will get it.
Yeah, this is not a
I didn't put the correct URL.
No, you are going
Might.
to another page, not in register.
Oh, okay.
After you have to click register button first, then you are going to another.
Oh, okay.
Let's try. Let's run.
It's the same.
It's same still.
Yeah.
So there is something. It's not because of the window size. It's something different. Because if you minimize, then options are visible, means how it is possible. Okay. We don't have the correct page actually. Try to open here in the browser that website.
ICRTC.
Miss Samarine, one more thing. If she if the sister is trying to open the website on the Google Chrome, she should get the Google URL address from the Google Chrome, not from the Microsoft Edge.
Yeah, I took the driver from Google Chrome.
No, this is correct only. Browser is opening means it's
yeah.
okay. Chrome browser was opening fine, no problem at all. But the thing, okay, first of all, you try to open normally. You open in the normal Chrome browser this URL. Don't do, put it 100% only. Do not minimize, nothing you do.
Okay.
Put 100%. Now search, this is the URL.
Yes.
If I open in the other browser by keeping the same link, it's opening, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Why? Oh.
So how, if she can put manually, if she can go to register button, then what do you?
No, if manually when we are opening this URL, registered is visible. In the testing, why it is not visible? I'm just wondering.
You are this part is registered. Where is the register button?
Let's see, it's maximizing the window.
We have to find the
Hello.
register button first, right? Where is the register button?
No, it's not there.
Minimize it, then we can see it.
Yes, if you minimize it is visible.
Yeah.
It's wonder if we minimize it is visible means it's 100% it is not visible, see?
Yeah.
In a testing, okay.
But testing it should come first, no?
Yeah. The site is having defect or what? And you're using the old version, right? So I don't think we have a option of minimize also. Minimize means might be it will do completely minimize. It is if it is an old library, I don't think we have a minimize option.
Mm.
No, we don't have minimize option. But in the new version, there is a minimize, but how it will work? How? Why this? There is a problem in the website.
I don't know. I'm just starting
I
Selenium 2 days ago.
no, this is a website problem. I'm thinking what?
So here, where is the register button? Can you tell me? Because I'm very good with
See here it is the register button on the top after login.
I
Can you
don't
see?
it. No, where? Can you point it out?
No.
She is pointing out. Yeah.
This one. Let me go back. This is the register. Eh, Allah. This is register.
Oh, okay. This is the register button. Okay, let me see again.
You okay? Search. Send me this URL. Let me try in my system.
Okay.
Send me the URL in the chat box. Let me try in my system. I have already some Selenium libraries.
Because I'm looking on iPad. That's why I don't see any register button. I'm like, okay.
Hold it.
Send me. Did you send?
Yeah, can you see it?
I'm good.
I'll stop sharing.
It's okay, no problem.
Oh, sorry.